a return to roots embracing nature's healing touch. Did you know that many modern medicines are derived from plants used for centuries in traditional healing? This connection to nature highlights the enduring power of natural remedies. For generations, people have turned to nature to address health concerns. This reliance on natural solutions stems from a deep-rooted understanding of the interconnectedness between humans and the environment. Natural remedies, often passed down through generations, offer a holistic approach to health. They focus on addressing the root cause of ailments rather than just managing symptoms. These remedies harness the potent properties of plants, minerals, and other natural elements. This approach emphasizes the body's innate ability to heal itself. Natural remedies are gaining popularity as people seek gentler, more sustainable healthcare options. These remedies are often more affordable and accessible than conventional treatments. Additionally, they align with a growing desire for a more natural and holistic lifestyle. Beyond pills and procedures, understanding natural remedies. Conventional medicine has made significant strides in treating diseases. However, it sometimes falls short in addressing the underlying causes of health issues. Additionally, conventional treatments can come with unwanted side effects, prompting individuals to seek alternative solutions. This is where natural remedies step in, offering a different perspective on health and healing. Natural remedies encompass a wide range of practices and preparations. These include herbal teas, essential oils, compresses, and dietary changes. They are based on the principle that the body has an inherent ability to heal itself. Natural remedies aim to support this innate healing capacity by providing the body with the resources it needs. These remedies often work by strengthening the immune system, reducing inflammation, and restoring balance to the body. Unlike pharmaceuticals, which often target specific symptoms, natural remedies tend to have a more holistic effect. They address multiple aspects of well-being, promoting overall health and vitality. Common ailments, uncommon solutions, headaches, colds, and indigestion. Headaches, colds, and digestive issues are common ailments that plague people of all ages. While conventional medicine offers over-the-counter medications for relief, many find solace in the gentle effectiveness of natural remedies. These remedies provide a safe and often equally effective alternative for managing these common health concerns. For tension headaches, try peppermint oil applied topically to the temples and forehead. Its cooling sensation can help relieve tension. For colds, a warm drink with ginger, lemon, and honey can soothe a sore throat and boost immunity. Ginger's warming properties help break up congestion, while lemon provides vitamin C, and honey soothes the throat. Indigestion can often be relieved with chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm the digestive system. It also aids in reducing gas and bloating. Another effective remedy is a mixture of apple cider vinegar and warm water taken before meals. The vinegar stimulates digestive juices, aiding digestion. Section 4. Nature's Medicine Cabinet. Remedies from your kitchen. You don't need to look far to find effective natural remedies. Your kitchen likely holds many ingredients with potent healing properties. These readily available ingredients can be transformed into simple yet powerful remedies for everyday ailments. For headaches, a cold compress with a few drops of lavender essential oil can be incredibly soothing. Lavender's calming aroma helps relax the mind and body, easing tension headaches. For colds, a simple saline solution made with warm water and salt can help clear nasal passages. Gargling with warm salt water can also soothe a sore throat by reducing inflammation. For indigestion, try consuming a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar diluted in a cup of warm water before meals. Apple cider vinegar is believed to stimulate digestive juices, aiding in better digestion and preventing indigestion. Another digestive aid is ginger tea, which can be prepared by simmering fresh ginger slices in water. Emma's journey with natural healing. Emma struggled with persistent digestive issues. Conventional treatments failed to address the root cause. She decided to explore natural remedies. Incorporating ginger and peppermint into her diet, she noticed significant improvement. Ginger reduced bloating, while peppermint eased cramps. Encouraged, Emma delved deeper into natural remedies. Her journey shows how natural remedies can empower health. Rediscovering nature's potential, a call to action. Natural remedies offer a time-tested approach to health. From soothing headaches to boosting immunity, nature provides resources to support our well-being. These remedies are simple, affordable, and safe. Embracing them means adopting a holistic approach to health. Rediscover the potential of natural remedies.